This is the new 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT53 4-door coupe facelift. The new car gets a redesigned front apron that takes inspiration from the GT63, a redesigned grille, new color options, an electric sliding sunroof, and a wireless charging pad mounted between the rear seats. The engine is carried over, meaning that you'll get a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with twin turbocharging and integrated starter alternator. It makes 455 horsepower and 529 Nm of torque, allowing the car to accelerate to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. Guys, if you like the new car, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.